Find the value of k such that the quadratic equation 4x squared plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 2k have equal roots. Now, if you have problems like this, always remember your discriminant. So yung discriminant natin is given by yung part of our quadratic equation, that is just b squared minus 4ac. Now, if this thing is equal to 0, meron kang equal roots. Meaning to say, for example, yung roots niya will be x plus 1, para siyang ganyan. So, yung roots mo will be x minus 1, right? Dalawa. They are equal. Pag ito naman is less than 0, for example, meron kang 4ac. Again, the value of that one is less than 0. Ito yung mga time na yung ating roots are imaginary. Tapos kung ito naman is greater than 0, yung mga roots natin are dalawa, tapos magkaiba. So meron kang mga, for example, roots mo will be x plus 1 times x minus 1. Dalawa, magkaiba. So in this example again, pinapahanap sa atin yung value ng k para daw magkaroon ng equal roots. So meaning to say, gagamitin natin ito. B squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now, what we're going to do first is rewrite muna natin yung ating equation in standard form. So ano ba yung standard form? I'm just going to equate everything to 0. So meron akong 4x squared plus 7x plus 3 minus 2k equals 0. Now, from here, this will be my A. Ito yung aking A. Ito yung aking B. At saka, the entire thing will be my C. And then, gagamitin natin yung discriminant. We have B squared minus 4AC is equal to 0. So, yung B ko is 7. So, meron akong 49. Kasi nga, 7 squared is 49. Minus 4. Ano yung A ko is 4, right? And then, my C is the entire thing. 3 minus 2k. Again, everything is equal to 0. Tapos, simplify ko lang. Ito, this is 49 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 3, that is 48. Tapos meron akong plus 16 times 2, that is 32k, equals 0. Ito magiging 1. This is 1 plus 32k equals 0. And then solve for k, yung mangyayari, meron kang 32k is equal to negative 1. Divide everything by 32. K is equal to negative 1 over 32. And that is your answer. That is letter D. Follow for more.